Hello guys, welcome to another video of Math Topics with Jeff. Today I'm going to be going over hard SAT problems that require have a bunch of different variables that need to be solved. Let's just get straight into it. I know these are like more module 2 questions. People tend to struggle with it, but I'm telling you with Desmos, it's a lot easier than you probably would have thought. So let's get into it. So our first question is, the equation is true for all is A, B, question what's the value of A, B? So they gave us right here, I can't even, an equation. So right now let's go put it in a Desmos. I think the hardest part of this is having the patience to put it all in a Desmos. 5x adding to the 5x minus bx plus 4. I think that was 5x squared. And then now, for our Desmos, in order for it to solve it, instead of having an equal sign, you're going to need a regression sign. So we're just going to add that and then start putting our other side. So 20x, was it cubed or squared? 20x cubed minus 9x squared minus, I think it was a 9x plus 12 or 2x. Alright, so what we got, once we got that, for Desmos, x and y's are not variables in order to make, or variables that you can solve for in that Desmos gives an answer to. So essentially, in order to get those get those values, you need to put a 1. Because like if it was any other value like p, k, or w, you don't need to put a 1. If you just click on it, like it's going to generate a 1. But all right, great. So don't fall into the trap. This is not the answer. I promise these are not the answers. It's not right. What you have to do, you have to go in here and do x1 equals. Then you have to make a list, and within that list, you have to put values. You can't just do ... 10. Okay, I guess you can. There are other problems I've tried that you couldn't, but I think it's just less risky to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A is 4, B 6, and then now all we're just going to do, it asks us to solve for AB. Bam, AB is 24. Is that right? See, exactly. Next question. This question is not too hard. Let's do something a little harder. All right, this one's a little bit harder. So if this long question is of x was about a, b. So now, same kind of thing. You're just going to create a fraction. Let's just start like that, and then do, it says the square root of x. Was that to the 5th, I think? Oh no. To the 5th. Yep. And then on the bottom, let's go to function, scroll all the way down to where you can right there. I think it goes to the 3rd. Then x to the 4th. Bam. And now you set a regression sign again, because you know that's what that's allowed Desmos to solve it. And then you do exponent, and then you go fraction A over B. Yep. And then now we have to go back and put those 1s in order for Desmos to like actually solve for x. Oh, come on. There we go. And then now you make your list equals, bam, 3. I usually just do 1, 2, like 3. And then it wants A over B, 1.166767. Alright, now what is that? Yep, these are variable answers, 1.67, 1.67, sorry. And then you put 7 over 6, which backwards is 6, 7, my bad. Alright. And then for the last one, we're going to do, okay, sorry, this, I haven't, okay, this is not too bad. So now we're going to literally do the same thing, just set them equal to each other. So you got another fraction, 29. And what's on the bottom? X plus 51, I think I saw. And then x plus 102, x plus 102. And that is equivalent, you know, to p over x, and then plus w over x plus 51. And so now, for order Desmos to see the x as a variable, it's going to solve. You only put the 1. Bam. Oh my gosh. Bam. 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 Alright. I'll still make a list. Well, first, let me see what we're even solving for. PW, what is the value of W if P and W are constants? And now we just make a list so Desmos can run those tests. 1, 2, 3. And W should be 27. Was that what I was asking? 27, yep. That is it. It's as simple as that, guys. I'm telling you, Desmos can really help with the SAT, and I hope this helps for the upcoming SAT. So I hope everything goes good. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Topics with Jeff out.